And, like, we are Gabegwa Mumbo Publications. Iphoyisa uShezi, right? Uvezwe kanjani? How is he portrayed? Usebenzela umbutho wamaphoyisa. Umbutho wamaphoyisa is the police force, yes. And then he holds a position yokuba ngusayitsheni of being a sergeant esiteshini esibizwa nge-Taylor's Halt. Uyiphoyisa elinolaka, meaning he is an aggressive police officer. Hence isihlokwana sakhona sithi ulaka lwephoyisa. Right, so usolake sengathi uSolomon noJohn bashushumbisa izidakamizwa ezifana nensangu emazweni aphesheya, which means he suspects that John and Solomon are into ukushushumbisa. Shushumbisa means to smuggle, ukushushumbisa kwezidakamizwa of drugs such as insangu. Insangu is weed, insangu is marijuana. Emazweni aphesheya, in the countries overseas. Remember, these guys are coming from Pesheya. That is why he is making that kind of a speculation. Akayena kumuntu othanda ukufunda amaphepha. He's not the type of a person that likes reading newspaper. And that ke kuveza ukuthi akanalo ulwazi, that makes him not to have sufficient information, ulwazi oluphelele lokusebenza kwezinto zobuchwepheshe. And he also does not have sufficient information on how technology devices works. And then simthole baleka ngenxa yokushayisana ko-over wakhe kanye nowabafana. Right, so we find him, running for his life after the clash between the signals, of the two walkie-talkies, when Solomon and John received a call through the walkie-talkie, and he had his walkie-talkie switched on, and he did not even realize that it was switched on. Akazange abone ukuthi uvuliwe. And then he thought the worst because of the noise that happened. So umsindo wenzeka kwaba umsindo omkhulu that was similar to that of a storm. But weirdly enough, it was bright sun. It was sunny, and there were no signs of actually a storm, but there was this raging noise that was coming from endlini yocwaningo that made this man to baleka. Ukholelwa ebuthakatheni, ucabanga ukuthi kunabantu abanomona ngesikhundla sakhe. So he believes in witchcraft, and he just thinks, or he suspected, he thought there were some of his colleagues from his workplace who are jealous or envious of his position. Isikhundla is a position. Akabahlonipha abantu abadala. He does not respect elderly people because he speaks anyhow, to Gasa and to Ntuli. So, and he tells them ukuthi nabo uzobabopha, that he will also have them arrested together with their sons and namadodana abo nakuba engenabo ubufakazi obanele, even though he does not have tangible evidence to just have all of them arrested. And he shouts at them. Ekugcineni-ke uyazisola. In the end, though, after everything, he regrets how he treated other people. He treated uSolomon noJohn ngendlela aphathe ngayo uSolomon noJohn. Futhi uyaziqhenya ngokuthi sebeze bafika enyangeni. And then he is proud, when he realized that they eventually landed on the moon or got to the moon, and he is proud of them. Uyaziqhenya ngabo. Siyathola-ke futhi ukuthi after 5 years, ngemuva kweminyaka emihlanu of uJohn noSolomon having gone to the moon or space, and ucela uxolo, right? So this man, Iphoyisa Ushezi, asked for forgiveness from Ugasa Nontuli. You will remember that he visited Ugasa Nontuli and he found them chilling, and he asked for their forgiveness. And he compared himself to Saul from the Bible, who used to attack, the believers or the Christian. Ufuna ukubhaphathizwa, and he wants to be baptized so he can repent. He wanted to just have that done by umfundisi okumfundisi ungiti, which we will look at um, at how he is portrayed at a later stage. So he wanted to repent, to be baptized, so that he can be cleansed of all from all his sins. Okay, izono zakhe. All right, so this part of Ushezi imveza njengomuntu who is a believer, okholwayo, ungumuntu okholwayo. He is a believer, ungumuntu okholwayo, ukholelwa kuNkulunkulu, because usebenzisa neBhayibheli. So he uses quotes from the Bible and he compares himself to Saul, and he also said he wanted to be baptized, funa ukubhaphathizwa, but that is at the end of indaba. Usabelo umyeni ka-Amahle, insizwa ehamba ngegalofu, igalofu, which is this type of car, it's a Golf, a VW Golf. Uvezwe kanjani endabeni uSabelo? Ungumyeni ka-Amahle, meaning he is Amahle's fiance, ngoba usemkhiphele ilobo, because he's already paid lobola for her. And technically, when you have initiated lobola, you are that person's husband, you are that woman's husband. So that is why kusetshenziswa igama elithi umyeni. Uyamthanda kakhulu u-Amahle futhi ufuna ukumshada. He really, really loves Amahle. He's madly in love with Amahle, and he says he wants to marry her. Uthi angenza noma yini. He claims that he can do anything kumuntu ongamthathela Amahle, to a person who would snatch Amahle away from him. And then we are told ukuthi uhamba ngemoto yohlobo lwe-Golf. Hlobo luni lwemoto? Lwe-Golf. So imoto ahamba ngayo, it's a Golf. And then usebenzela eThekwini. Lokhu kumenza angabuyi njalo ekhaya, ngoba eThekwini kukude kakhulu naseMafakatini. So he works in Durban. eThekwini is in Durban, and that makes him not to come back at home on regular basis or all the time, because Durban is quite a distance from Emafakatini. Unesikhwele, meaning he is very, very jealous ngo-Amahle, of Amahle. Possessive in a way, all right, he's possessive in a way ngo-Amahle. Uqamba amanga akhe. So at some point, he lied, uqamba amanga to uBongiwe ukuze athole iqiniso ngokuziphatha kaMahle. So he lied to uBongiwe in order to get or to find the truth on how Amahle conducts herself in his absentia. Wazana nensizwa yama-dreadlocks, and in the book they use lamagama athi yempitsi. Impitsi are the dreadlocks nama-tattoo. So a gentleman with dreadlocks and tattoos from the shacks of Embopomeni. So he knows that guy. Remember, Wuti, after he had a meeting with Ubongiwe, he went to see that guy. So we're still gonna have that unpacked, in the future episodes. All right, so we're still following. And Usabelo is the one, nguye owahlela, who planned, who orchestrated ukubulawa kaSolomon, the killing of Solomon. Ugcina ke ngokubulala uAmahle, naye wazibulala. So we are told that he ended up killing Amahle, and he also killed himself. And there aren't any details on that other than the two gentlemen, Ugasa and Ntuli, who were talking about and asking each other what happened to the guy of the golf, to the golf guy. And then that's when we got to know Guti, they both died, bobabili bashona. Ake sibone ukuthi-ke wazi kangakanani usulindele ukuphendula imibuzo. Ngethemba-ke usukulungele ukuphendula imibuzo nokubona ukuthi wazi kangakanani, and to see how much do you know with regards to all that we have covered thus far. Umsebenzi 1, let us just unpack the question so that we can build up on the vocabulary. I will project the memo afterwards. Number 1, bhala isithakazelo sikaSolomon. What is isithakazelo? Yes, isithakazelo is a clan name, is a praise name kaSolomon. Remember, Gutsu Solomon is not the only person who has isithakazelo. You must know the other isithakazelo for the other people as well. Number 2, yisho igama nesibongo sentatheli. State the name and the surname of a ntatheli. Konje, what is ntatheli? Yes, ntatheli is a journalist. But this one in particular, it's ntatheli efafaze izindaba zokuya emkhathini wabafana. To fafaza, it means to spread, the one that spread the news of these gentlemen going on space. Number 3, chaza isimo senkulumo. Chaza is to explain, and isimo senkulumo is a phrase that says, baphike balala ngomhlane. They denied it. That's what the phrase means. Baphike balala ngomhlane. You will remember ukuthi when uSicelo Mtolo had an interview with John Solomon for the first time, they denied going to space. They did not, confirm it. All right. Number 4, zibenze bazizwa kanjani uGasa nomazwane. That's a mistake. It's supposed to be mazwane. Izindaba ezisephephandabeni, right? So how did the news and the from the newspaper made uGasa nomazwane feel? After they knew ukuthi actually these boys are planning to go to space. Number 5, bhala izindawo ezintathu, right? 3 places lapho kwakukhulunywa khona ngoSolomon noJohn ngemuva kokuphuma kodaba lwabo ephephandabeni. Remember ukuthi kwisahluko sesithathu isihloko sakhona says izwe seliyazi, everyone knows. All right, and that was because the story of Ujohn Solomon, or the news of Ujohn Solomon, were revealed on the newspaper that was written by Usicelo, and the news just spread to different places. What are those different places? Number 6, nikeza amagama ezintokazi ezimbili. So the news spread and to the izintokazi ezimbili as well, right? Esizwa ngazo kulesi sahluko bese usho ukuthi zinabuphi ubudlelwane, right? So give the names of the 2 ladies that are also introduced in this chapter and that we get to hear of, and also tell us, state the relationship that these 2 ladies have. Zinabuphi ubudlelwane. Number 7, bhala igama lendawo lapho kuhlala khona lezi zintokazi. Bhala is to write, igama lendawo is the name of the place lapho kuhlala khona lezi zintokazi, where these ladies live. Izintokazi ezimbili zibazi kanjani uSolomon? The 2 ladies zibazi kanjani? How do they know John and Solomon? Number 9, umuntu onjani ingoduso. Remember this question, umuntu onjani? what type, what kind of a person is said to be engoduso. Yisho ukuthi ngubani oyingoduso kulezi zintokazi. And also state that who between these two ladies is engoduso. Ucabanga ukuthi uBongiwe ngumngane oneqiniso noma oqotho? Usho ngani? Do you think this is a personal question? Whenever a question starts with ucabanga, right? So you need to state whatever you think, and then you always have to support or substantiate. Hence, there's a question ushongani. Sometimes they may have segela at the end, right? So do you think Ubongiwe is a good friend or an honest friend or a loyal friend? Why do you say that? Balumqondo ofana wegama uthuthuva. Remember ukuthi it was uBongiwe that used this gama uthuthuva when she tried to warn uAmahle who wanted so badly to go after uSolomon. And she said, you don't want to start uthuthuva. You don't want to start problems. Okay. So ngubani igama lomkhwenyana kaAmahle. So what is the name of Amahle's husband? Wayefisa benzeni Amahle ngemuva kokuzwa ukuthi amasoko abo akudala abuyile? What is it that she wanted them to do after she heard that their old or their ex boyfriends were back from overseas? Right. Ngikholwa ukuthi-ke le mbuzo-ke izokusiza. Nazo-ke iy'mpendulo. Ngicabanga ukuthi ziyafana nempendulo ozenzile. This is the memo for the questions under umsebenzi 1. That was umsebenzi 1. Moving on to umsebenzi 2. Right, still on wazi kangakanani. How much do you know? Umsebenzi 2. Kungani uBongiwe luleka umngani wakhe ngokuthi akulungile ukuphoqa izinto? The question word kungani means what? Yes, it means why uBongiwe eluleka. Ukweluleka is to advise or to give someone an advice. Why does she give a friend an advice that said akulungile ukuphoqa izinto, meaning it is not okay to force matters. It's not a right thing to force matters. And then number 2, bhala igama elilodwa. Bhala is to write igama elilodwa is one word. Dwa means one. Elisho lokhu abantu abadalelwe. That means abantu are the people abadalelwene, which means that were made for each other, like soulmates. And you learned about this word in poetry. Just check your poems. Which one is talking about the soulmates? And what is that? Ngesizulu. Ngokuka Amahle, according to Amahle, uthi kungani anquma ukugana futhi ngubani umkhwenyana wakhe? According to Amahle, she says, why did she decide on, finding someone or getting married? Ukugana, or to agree to being paid lobola for, and that is ukugana. Futhi ngubani umkhwenyana wakhe, and who is mkhwenyana? Remember konje, what is mqondo ofana for mkhwenyana? Yes, umyeni. Well done. uJohn noSolomon benza siphi isithembiso kulezi zintokazi? So we are told ukuthi both John and Solomon, they made a promise, isithembiso. Now, which promise did they make to these ladies before they went overseas? Number 6, ngumuntu onjani obizwa ngengoduso? What kind of a person is said to be engoduso? Very important word, an important question. But we're still going to unpack this when we cover the themes. Yes, the themes, isn't it? uAmahle noBongiwe bavezwe njengabalingiswa abanjani? Bhala okuthathu ngomlingiso ngamunye. Both Amahle and Bongiwe are portrayed, bavezwe njengabalingiswa abanjani? as what kind of characters? Bhala ukuthathu. So bhala ukuthathu, write 3 points per character. Bhala igama lomfundi wezindaba zomsakazo. Remember ukuthi the news also about John no Solomon going to space were also heard on the radio, and the news were read by a particular news reader, umfundi wezindaba. That's a news reader for the radio. Ezazilalelwa nguSolomon that they both listened to. Kuba nomunye-ke owayelalela izindaba. So other than the Solomon and John, who else listened to the news, to the same news, other than these two gentlemen, John and Solomon? Kungani insizwa eyayilalela izindaba ehhovisi ikhombisa ukucasuka? So now, why did the other guy that was listening to the news in his office got angry and banged the table with his nqindi? Nqindi is a fist. Right. USolomon-ke nguye otshela izintatheli ngolwazi olungamaqiniso ohambo oluzwakala ezindabeni. Was it Solomon that told the journalist about or revealed the truth about the trip to the moon on the news? Yes or no? Now support. All right, just check if your answers are matching the answers that I have. Remember, Guti, now you may have different answers or maybe differently structured answers, but they may be more or less similar to this memo. Yes, here is the memo for the previous exercise. All right, ngiyabonakala. Number 1, nanti igama lentatheli. There's the name of the newsreader, uSabatha Hadebe. All right, I hope you also had uSabatha Hadebe with you. Moving on to Msebenzi 3. More questions, imibuzo, Umsebenzi 3. Number 1, ezindabeni and the news. Bathi leli thimba lihloso kuyokwenzana enyangeni bhala okubili. That is very important. So, on the news, they are claiming, or the newsreader says, this team, okay, the crew that is going to the moon, what are their intentions? What are the 2 things that they intend to do when they get to the moon? Number 2, bhala umehluko. Umehluko is the difference phakathi komhlaba ophilayo nomhlaba ofile ngokwendaba. The difference between the land full of life and the one that is lifeless, according to the story. Number 3, thola lamagama endabeni. Find these words in the story. Voice recorder. B, oxygen tank. C, alternative land or backup land. Number 4, uMaster Edward no Solwazi. The SOL stands for Professor, stands for Solwazi Cassius. Bahlanganela kuyiphi indawo no General Otrosteli. So where did they meet General Otrosteli? You'll remember ukuthi all along it's been the 2 of them, right? uMaster Edwards as well as Solwazi Cassius. But then General Otrosteli joined them later on. Where did they meet? Kungani uSolwazi Cassius ebiza Edward ngomaster? So why does Professor Cassius, Ansley Cassius, address Edwards as the master? Right. Number 6, bhala planet or imihlaba. Imihlaba also are the planets. Emibili okunethemba lokuthi kusengaphileka kuyo kuka General. So what are the 2 planets that General hopes that they can still revive those planets and convert them into living planets? Number 7, umkhumbi mkhathi Apollo 2-3 yayisilungile kodwa babedinga ukuxhuma izigubhu kanye athile ngokukaSolwazi. So the spacecraft Apollo 23 was ready to embark on a journey or to depart, but they still needed to, you know, connect uxhuma izigubhu, the tanks. So which tanks did they want to connect? Kanye nama athile ngokukaSolwazi, and what else according to the professor? Yimuphi umlando abafuna ukuqopha uma befika enyangeni? Yimuphi umlando? It means which record they hoping to break. Remember ukuthi bafuna ukuqopha umlando, they wanted to break a record uma befika enyangeni when they get to the moon. Number 9, ngaphansi kwesizinda, under the isizinda, which is the setting. Lesi sahluko siveza izinto ezisekela isikhathi esidala, ezinye eziveza isikhathi samanje. So in isizinda there is like that confusion of isikhathi. So because there are certain things that we can say to support isikhathi sakudala, and there are certain things that we can quote to support isikhathi samanje. Chaza izinto ezingenza sisekele zombili lezi zikhathi ngokwesahluko. So basically, if you can just, for your exam preparation, if you can just put things aside and look at the mark allocation and see which one you will use, whether it's isikhathi sakudala or isikhathi samanje, should you come across a similar kind of a question in an exam. Uyayibona leyo nto? So always check your mark allocation so that you can avoid writing a lot of unnecessary stuff. Okay, right, let's check. I'm going to project my answers and just check if they, correlate to your answers. Nazia says Yakala. Here is the memo for umsebenzi from the previous slide. Just check. Are we good? Wonderful. Kunoma ngabe yiphi indaba, meaning in any story, you may find udweshu, recurring, being like a recurring thing, something that happens over and over again, amongst certain characters. Okay, in the story as well, siyalithola udweshu, right? But let us look at the question for udweshu, and it's udweshu that involves these two characters. So a character that once said, uyazi unengqondo yengane wena Mazwane. You think like a child, Mazwane, right? So who was uMazwane talking to? Yes, obviously uGas. Ake sifunde kumbuzo-ke that you may come across. Hlobo luni lodweshu olutholakala phakathi kukaGasa noMazwane? When uGasa said those words. Sekela ngesigameko, support with an incident. That is the actual incident. Kwakwenzenjani laphaya. So this was when ukuziphatha okungajwayelekile kukaSolomon, when Solomon started behaving in a very weird manner. And lokhu kuziphatha-ke kwakhe-ke, it's the cause, is the isisusa sodweshu, and this dweshu is a type called udweshu lwangaphandle phakathi kwabazali bakaSolomon. UGasa-ke kuyamcasula ukungabuyi ekhaya komfana wakhe. So, and then uGasa was irritated, that was annoyed, was angry that their son did not come back home the previous night. Simbone sexabana noMazwane. So we see him, taking it out on his wife and blaming his wife. Apparently his wife is supposed to know. uMazwane-ke then said, uSolomon uhlakaniphile. So uMazwane was like, yeah, but Solomon is a very, smart young man. Ngeke enze into ezomfaka engozini, and he won't do anything, that will put his life in danger. And then le nkulumo-ke, this speech just irritated uGasa. and then he started shouting. Uyathetha. Tethisa is to shout at somebody. Uthethisa umkakhe. Remember igama elithi umkakhe means what? Unkosikazi wakhe, his wife. All right, that's a synonym for unkosikazi wakhe is umkakhe. And he said unengqondo yengane, meaning accusing her of having a brain of a little child. All right, so udweshukelwa ngaphandle ke, and that is the whole isigameko. Konje, what is an isigameko? Yes, it is an incident. Right, so we're ready to look at izindikimba. Okay, nazo-ke izindikimba. So these are just some of izindikimba, and we'll unpack more as we continue. And I think after this this session, I will just record one last session that sums up everything that happens, right up to the end. Okay, then izindikimba esizitholayo isimo sezulu, we get that at the beginning of incwadi of indaba, which is the weather. Isithola amanga nenkohliso nokungathembeki, which is lies, deceit, and dishonesty. Right, siphinde sithole izimfihlo, the secrets that gets revealed. Bese sithole ubudlelwano, which are the relationships, and we will look at ubudlelwano bothando, which is the love relationship or an affair or a relationship, like a serious relationship, abantu abathandanayo. And we'll also look at the friendship, ubudlelwane bobungani. Right. Ake sibheke-ke isimo sezulu, which is the weather. Right, so isimo sezulu at the beginning of the story umbhali usethulela izinkinga. So he introduces to us the issues that are caused by isimo sezulu esibi, by bad weather, nesiletha ukwesaba, which brings fear kubantu basemafakatini nezindawo eziseduzane. Right, so you will remember ukuthi when abantu, they were scared at the beginning of the story, and when the storm was brewing, they collected empty cans and they started banging those. Remember what we said, that has to do with into abakholelwa kuyona, sithi inkoleloze. They believe ukuthi by simply banging on those cans, the dragon inkanyamba that lived in those dams will not damage imizi yabo, their homes. Okay, and ukuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu, that is the climate change. All right, so that is the climate change. Yiko kwaba isizathu, is the reason sokuba uJohn noSolomon bakhetha ukwenza izifundo zokucwaninga indlela yokushintsha komhlaba, that made both John and Solomon to choose a field of researching to study for researching the way in which the world, or in which the earth changes. Okay, right, because bona, they knew better, they learned so much, and they knew ukuthi it had nothing to do with izinkanyamba. It was only something to do with the climate change, ukuguquguquka kwesimo sezulu. Izinkinga-ke zendawo yasemafakatini namaphethelo. So the problems, the issues that they had in Emafakatini and its surroundings, its neighborhoods, amaphethelo, the surroundings or the neighborhood, were caused by izinhlekelelo zesimo sezulu, were caused by the natural disasters. So abantu-ke basemafakatini banenkinga, they have a problem. Ilanga lakhona liyashisa kakhulu, futhi-ke lilimaza imfuyo, and it damages their livestock as well as their crops nezitshalo zawo. So that is how you can actually unpack indikimba yesimo sezulu, the theme of the weather. And remember to look at your mark allocation. With themes, it's always advisable at least to take 2 to 3 points into the exam, and then you are good to go. You are safe. Right. Ake sibheke-ke indikimba elandelayo yamanga nenkohliso. Right. So amanga is lies, inkohliso is deceit. All right. Kwizinto ezihlale zihambisana, they always work hand in hand. So nanka yamanga-ke, that is a beautiful illustration that I got there. So sizobheka between uAmahle noSabelo. uAmahle ke umlingiswa ophila impilo yamanga. So she is living a lie. Remember, she confessed and she said the reason why she allowed for uSabelo to pay lobola for her, it was because she was lonely and she decided to Ghana. Ugana is when you commit as a woman to a man. All right. So uphila impilo yamanga noSabelo umyeni wakhe wethu uSabelo. So wakhohlisa, meaning ukukhohlisa, it also means to lie. uSabelo wathi uyamthanda. So she lied to Sabelo and said she liked him. Kodwa azi kahle, knowing very well ukuthi uthanda isoka lakhe elamshiya la phesheya, knowing very well that she actually liked her boyfriend that left him when he went overseas. uAmahle akathembekile, so she is not trustworthy ngoba uthandana noSolomon noSabelo ngesikhathi esisodwa, because she is dating two guys at the same time. She's cheating, in other words, cheating. Right, uSabelo naye futhi he's not a saint. Umlingiswa onguSabelo uqambela uBongiwe amanga, lied to uBongiwe because efuna ukuthola iqiniso ngokuziphatha kaAmahle, because he wanted to find the truth about Amahle's conduct or behavior. All right, so that is where amanga are. But there's a lot that you can say. You know his story maybe better than I do, right? Okay, but those are the lines that you can talk along mawukhuluma ngamanga nenkohliso, lies and deception. Then izimfihlo ke futhi sizithola ke between the two of them, labalingiswa, isithandana the lovers, uAmahle noSabelo, bobabili banezimfihlo, they both have secrets. uAmahle ukufihlela, it means to hide for uSabelo ukuthi usebuyelene nesoka lakhe. So she had to hide to Sabelo that she's gotten back together with her old boyfriend. uSabelo naye uyamfihlela uAmahle ngokuhlangana kwakhe ngasese noBongiwe ngesikhathi efuna ukwazi ngokuziphatha kuka-Amahle. And uSabelo naye hide it from Amahle that he wanted to meet with her friend uBongiwe privately, because the intention was to find out the truth about why uAmahle behaved in a manner in which she did. Lokhu-ke kuveza ukuthi bobabili abathembani. So both of them, they do not trust each other. Okay, so because they both have izimfihlo. Bese sibheka-ke ubudlelwane-ke in general, right? Ubudlelwane the relationships, okay? So starting with uJohn noSolomon, banobudlelwane bobungani. Selokhu babangani kusukela bebancane. They've been friends since they were kids. They went they went overseas together, baya phesheya ndawonye, namanje basebenza ndawonye, and even now they working together, banobudlelwane obuhle. So bakuthiwa bunjani ubudlelwane, then you can say their relationship is a good one. And then as for these two ladies, uAmahle noBongiwe banobudlelwane bobungani, they also friendship, relationship yabo selokhu bangabangani kusukela bancane. They've been friends since they were young, from high school. Babefunda esikoleni esodwa, they went to the same high school. Ubudlelwane babo buyonakala, but along the way the relationship is ruined, is messed up ngemuva komhlangano kaBongiwe noSabelo, after Bongiwe and Sabelo's meeting. Ubudlelwane babo bugcina bububi. So their relationship ends up being very, very bad. Okay, remember ukuthi bagcina beshayana, balimazana. uAmahle wacishe futhi wayefuna nokumgwaza uBongiwe. Right, bathukana futhi and they saw at each other. Right, and then ke nampa abantu ababili uAmahle noSabelo banabuphi ubudlelwane. A question could be phrased like that. What kind of a relationship they have? uSabelo noAmahle banobudlelwane bothando. They are lovers. Izithandani, that's another word. They are lovers. Izithandani. And then uAmahle uyingoduso kaSabelo. Remember we spoke about ingoduso earlier on? And then now umbuzo ke ungathi umuntu onjani ngoduso. We saw that kind of the similar kind of a question. What kind of a person is ingoduso? Ingoduso umuntu wesifazane is a woman. Olotsholiwe. Olotsholiwe means that's been paid lobola for. Or if you don't want to use oselotsholiwe, you may use osemalungiselelweni okushada, who is in preparations of, who is doing the preparations for getting married. Or if you don't want to use osemalungiselelweni okushada, you can say umyeni wakhe osewakhokhile amalobolo, whose husband had paid the lobola. So any of those three phrases you can use to answer this type of a question that says what type of a person is said to be engodu. So don't forget is umuntu wesifazane. All right. Are you ready to tackle some more of the longer questions? All right, I guess bone ukuthi wazi kangakanani. This is just an example of what longer questions may look like. All right. Imbuzo emide chaza ukuthi isinqumo sika-Amahle. Isinqumo is a decision. You can't go into an exam not knowing that word isinqumo sika-Amahle. Amahle's decision of ukubuyelana. Ukubuyelana, it means getting back together with uSolomon. Saba namuphi umthelela. Remember that word is on the list. It had which implication. All right, what was the implication of uAmahle getting back together with uSolomon ebudlelwaneni bakhe noBongiwe in her relationship with a friend uBongiwe, right? They may say state 3 points, 2 points, it's up to you. So, but just be prepared with at least a minimum of amaphuzu amabili kuya kwamathathu. uAmahle ngumuntu ongakwazi ukucabangela abanye abantu. Amahle is a kind of a person that does not consider other people's feelings, all right? Or yes or no. Why do you say that? Please make sure that you walk into that exam room knowing how to unpack that. And lastly, ukusebenzela eThekwini kukaSabelo, with Sabelo working in Durban, kuba namuphi umthelela ebudlelwaneni bakhe noAmahle. So which implication or impact does it have on his relationship with uAmahle? So these are just a couple of examples wemibuzo emide that a student may need to know how to unpack, and obviously you will be guided by the mark allocation. Remember what I always say, if it's 3 marks, it's 3 points. If it's 2 marks, it's 2 points. And do not make a mistake of leaving blanks, right? Bhala, ubhale, ubhale, ubhale. All right. Ungakhohlwa-ke ukuthi-ke ungasithola-ke kulezi zinkundla-ke zokuxhumana if you need to touch base with us. But don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel and like, so that we can continue to create more content for the upcoming students. Ngiyabonga-ke, ngethemba ukuthi lo msebenzi niwuthokozele kakhulu. Sinifisela okuhle kwizivivinyo zenu. Nisale kahle.